Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of our Ryan Cooper 240 series. Last episode we talked to you about the car. In this episode we're going to prep the car to go drifting this Sunday. We're going to go ahead and put all the stickers back on the car. I've already done all the mechanical work on it, did the bolt check, made sure everything's good. The car just recently got retuned. So now it's finally time to put these stickers back on it. So let's go ahead and do that before the car goes to the event. As you can tell, a lot of the residue is still on here. We've tried multiple times to try to get it off. It's just that this paint isn't in the greatest condition. So we didn't want to like compound it off. So I'm gonna let this soak and try to get it off. But worst case scenario, we leave it on here and it kind of makes like a nice template for us to figure out where the stickers used to go. But I mean, it's Ryan Cooper, it doesn't need to be nice, right? Part of all the damage and all the experience this car's got is kind of the part of the appeal, which is why I like it.
Oh! This is gonna be easier.
I got cocky.
Check it out. There's Ryan Cooper in that green S13.
So we had fun this weekend, but we ran into a little bit of a boo-boo. Unfortunately, well, the car did great. Shakedown's shakedown, so shit happens. I guess what happened was this tab right here on my fan shroud broke. The fan kind of just dropped, the shroud dropped, it hit my fan clutch and just blew up the fan. So I had to park it because obviously the car would have easily overheated. I did a couple of runs just to get filming, but I had to watch the temperatures and we kind of just, to preserve the engine, called it a day. It sucks, it happens. That's kind of what Shakedown is for. I already got the new stuff on the way. I'll probably try to tape this up, keep it as a spare, get extra fans, learn my lesson. It's not too bad. The expensive part of the car is still good. But before we do the next event, which hopefully will be in a month or so, I'm gonna do a boost leak test on the car, probably re-shake down the engine. There was a couple of holes in the fuel map that we wanna fill out. Hopefully you guys will see another video of this car soon to get parked because of $100 in parts. It's never fun. But hopefully you'll see another video of this car in a month or so. But until then, this car is just gonna be down until the fan shroud and all the retuning stuff happens. So if you watch this video and you like the intro, I hope to be able to do more of that kind of stuff. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like the video and comment and do all that fun stuff to positively validate me to know that YouTube's not a bad idea. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I appreciate each and one of you that watched to the very end. If you wanted a chance to get the extra stickers I haven't had a chance to use, make sure you subscribe and comment below why you liked Ryan Cooper growing up and what you liked about Pro Street. I'll pick one of you guys and send it out to you free of charge. If you want me to release the files, also let me know. This is obviously stuff I made. I'm happy to release it. Don't want any of your money, would just like your support. So let me know, leave me in comments, show some love, and I'll see you in the next episode.